Letter number 61. 2. Kamel ibn Zayad, the governor of Hit, expressing displeasure on his inability to prevent the enemy forces that passed through his area from marauding. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, the neglecting by a man of what he has been made responsible for and doing what is to be done by others is a manifest weakness and a ruinous sight. Certainly, your advance on the people of Circassia, and your leaving the arsenals over which we had set you, without anyone to protect them, or to repulse the enemy force, savored of shattered thinking. In this way, you served like a bridge for the enemy who came marauding on your allies while your arms were weak. You had no awe around you, you could not prevent the enemy from advancing, you could not break his might, you could not defend the people of your area, and you could not discharge functions on behalf of your Imam.